Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart fishing rod. Your new rod is an excellent choice for beginners, offering both simplicity and great value. We will guide you through the straightforward process of setting up your gear, from attaching the reel to tying your first lure. With just a few easy steps, you will be ready to cast your line and enjoy the peaceful activity of fishing. Let us make getting started simple and fun. First, take your spinning reel and firmly attach it to the rod's designated reel seat. It usually has a small, threaded collar for tightening. Next, spool your fishing line onto the reel, winding it on neatly, making sure to apply slight tension for an even fill. A typical spinning reel will hold about 100 to 150 yards of monofilament line, perhaps 6 or 8 pound test. Then, you will be ready to tie a basic knot, like the arbor knot, to secure the line to the reel spool. A well-tied knot forms the critical connection between your line and your lure or hook, preventing lost fish. The Palomar knot is known for its strength and ease of tying, while the improved clinch knot is another reliable option frequently used by anglers. Take a few minutes to practice tying these knots using a spare piece of line at home. You can find many helpful diagrams and videos online to perfect your technique, ensuring confidence when you are on the water. To cast effectively, hold the rod with a comfortable grip, placing your thumb on the line if using a bait caster or using your index finger to hold the line if using a spinning reel. Bring the rod back over your shoulder, then smoothly propel it forward, releasing the line at the top of your cast. Aim for an imaginary target, perhaps 20 to 30 feet away, focusing on a fluid motion rather than sheer power. Remember to practice in a safe, open space, using a practice plug instead of a sharp hook. Before heading out, always check your local fishing regulations for licensing requirements and catch limits to fish responsibly. Once you are fishing, patience is key. Sometimes the fish bite quickly, other times it takes a while. Observe the water for signs of fish activity and do not hesitate to experiment with different baits or lures if one is not working. Most importantly, embrace the calm and fun of fishing. Every trip offers a new chance to learn and create lasting memories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.